Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today what we're going to speak about is what contract agreements do we use when it comes to rent to rent. But before we get started, I want you to subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on so you get alerted every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. So let's go. Okay guys, so literally when I first time got my first rent to rent, I was so first excited with life, thinking, oh my gosh, yes, got my rent to rent. But then I was stressed because the landlords wanted to see the agreement, terms and conditions, and at that time I had nothing. And I know people who do this, they understand what I'm talking about. Because at the beginning of everything, you get all excited thinking, oh my gosh, I found someone. But then they ask you, can I see the contract for the proposal before I even accept the proposal? And then that is oh my gosh, because I remember the day that happened to me. I was literally all over the place the whole day trying to find out what tenancy agreements do I use. I was calling up solicitors. But thank God I used my common sense and I actually went on Google to find the answer for it. But guys, so yeah, I'm going to tell you what not to use for your rent to rent deal, because there's a lot of people that use the wrong tenancy agreement, contract I should say, the wrong contract for this. So I'm going to tell you now the wrong one that you do not use, and then I will tell you the one that you do use. And I believe this will be very helpful, because as people are in my mastermind as well, which costs $97.99, if you want to join, make sure you click the link below. There should be space for you there, as I'm planning to do this every month. But in this whole thing, it's a thing where when you actually get it, I show you everything anyway on mastermind, but when you actually get it and you finally got someone who says yes, and you can see that the profit is good and everything, you need to come correct when it comes to your agreement. You can't have the wrong agreement, because that wrong agreement could be this person isn't serious and they'll say goodbye to you. So I'm going to tell you now which one you do not use. Listen, do not use, and then I'll tell you the one that you should use. So the one that you do not use is AST, which is assured short hold tenancies. That stands for, once again, assured short hold tenancies, and this is for normal tenancy agreements that normal tenant uses. And guys, taking that you're a property manager and you're going to be managing a property, so you're not going to be a tenant. You're going to be a property manager in a property. So that is the wrong contract to use, because a lot of people that get started in rent to rent, they tend to show them that agreement, and then the landlord's like, what? This is not what we signed up for, and then that makes you look unserious. So please make sure you do not use the AST, because that is only for normal tenancy agreements that you will be getting on board with your tenants. Okay guys, this is really important, so please make sure you take notes on this, the do's and do not. And then now I'm going to tell you the ones that you should do. The one that you should do, that I do, which is very helpful, that is perfect, that states everything clearly on the contract, is called a management agreement. So guys, a management agreement is you showing you're the landlord and you're the agent. No, this is a landlord and you're the agency, or you're the company who's the agency running this property. You're basically saying the do's. What are you going to be doing in the property? So for example, you could be, I'm just going to give an example, maintaining the whole property, getting the tenants in, bills included, and all of these things. Everything that you're doing needs to be stated in this management agreement, because you're showing, the landlord is basically signing that I am giving this to the estate agent or yourself, you know what I'm saying, but I'm giving this to you, that you will take over my property and you're going to be the one that will be giving me my monthly money, stating, for example, £800 a month guarantee rent, as that is what you propose to them. So all of these things are so important, and I know guys, whoever watches this will come in so handy, and you're going to come on my YouTube channel and then you're going to comment below and be like, oh my gosh Abby, thank you so much, because I remember when I first started this. As you guys are gonna keep growing in property, you're gonna have to know these certain things. And I'm just speaking about the little battles I was facing to make it avoid it for you guys, basically. So I hope this was such a helpful video. For one, I hope that you guys feel confident now that you know what one to use. Don't worry, you do not need a solicitor to do a management agreement. You can literally find a free one online. That is exactly what I done. I found a free one online, so I didn't have to go to anybody. And this is the beauty of Google, because it gives you so much information. And once again, it helps you save money, because imagine you have something for free and then you're having to go to solicitors to be getting it for like over £100 or whatever they'll charge you. There's also templates online where they'll probably be charging £95 just for it. Don't do that, guys. Don't make that mistake. You can get it online for free, literally on Google. There's a whole bunch of them. Just do the one that you could believe that you can edit. You could download that PDF, copy and paste it, and then put it in your Google Docs, paste it there, and then tweak away, baby. And guys, so yeah, I hope that was super helpful. Once again, thank you so much for watching my videos. And make sure before you leave, you subscribe to my channel, turn that bell notification on, so you get alerts every Wednesday at 7 p.m. when I post. And also, guys, make sure you comment down below. Tell me, was this helpful? Did you love it? And also comment down what else do you want me to be speaking about, because I want to be spreading all this knowledge to you all. Okay, guys? I hope you have a great day. And by the way, before I go, make sure you add me on Instagram. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching once again. And I'll see you next time. Bye.